The next feature is matching using a wildcard. So if you are not familiar with wildcards are special characters which symbolize presence of or any number of characters. So for example, if I want to find people whose name starts with A, the way to represent that is A star. So it starts with A and then there is any value after that. It can have any number of characters and those characters could be anything. Similarly, there is another wildcard which is this question mark. Question mark represents presence of a single character. So if I specify J question mark, it could be any character in place of that question mark. It could be JAM, JBM, JIM, JEM, anything like that. So question mark represents a single character. It could be anything. And star represents any number of characters and it could be anything. So let's take an example to see how this can be used in actual business scenario. Here I have this table where first I have ID and name in the same cell, and corresponding to that person we have their CTC and experience values. Now when looking up, I just want to enter employee ID. I do not want to enter the employee ID and the name. And corresponding to that, I want to get the CTC value. Now, this could not be done using VLOOKUP, but this can be done using wildcards in XLookup. To do that, we will use XLookup. The value we are going to look at is this, and in double quotation marks, I'm going to add this star. So look carefully at the lookup value. Lookup value is value in F3, this value, concatenated with a star. Star represents that after this employee ID, there could be anything. It could be any name, it could be any value. This star representing that there can be any number of characters after F3, but this value should stay in the front. Now I can put comma. This is my lookup array, comma. This is the matching array, comma. Then the fourth parameter is if not found, that we do not want to mention right now. So comma. Then there is match mode. So the matching mode, this time we have to select as wildcard character match. So this wildcard will not work if you do not select this. So we have to select this wildcard character match. The value for wildcard character match is 2. Either you enter 2 or double click on that option. And the last one is search mode, which also we are not specifying right now. Close the brackets, hit enter, and you can see that I'm getting the CTC value for the fourth ID. So even if I change this to 6, it auto updates. So the idea of using wildcards is if you do not know or if you do not want to use the entire string to match, you can take a particular unique part of that string, put wildcards around it, and then match with your lookup array. If you want to know more about this star wildcard, question mark wildcard, and this tilde wildcard, you can visit this link. I have added a link in this file. You can go to this link from Microsoft and you can know more about these wildcards.